Hello friends, today we are going to quickly blur the background of the image to grab the focus of the viewer on the subject. First of all, I'll duplicate the layer by pressing the Ctrl J key. Now the layer is duplicated and I'll unlock this layer by click on this lock icon, and then I'll select the upper layer and select any of the selection tool. I'll select the object selection tool and then I'll click on this select subject. My subject is selected. Now I want to add this newspaper to my selection also. I'll go to the menu bar and then select the add to selection. Add to selection is selected, and then I'll click on this newspaper also. The newspaper selected. Now I'll adjust my selection. You can see here the area is not properly selected. Let me zoom in the image a little bit, and by holding the spacebar I can easily drag my image, and then I'll select the quick selection tool and subtract to selection is selected. I'll simply click and drag my cursor to deselect the selection. Now I wanna add some selection. I'll simply hold down the shift key and then I'll add to the selection. I'll press the Ctrl 0 key. Now the selection is fine. Then I'll click on the mask icon. Now you can see the subject is selected. I'll turn on this layer and select the bottom layer, and then I'll go to the filter and then select the convert for smart filters and press OK. And again I'll go to the filter and select the blur and then select the Gaussian blur and adjust the blur value to something like 10 pixels and press OK. Now the background blurred. If you want to unblur some part of the image, you can easily do that by selecting this layer mask, and then with the help of brush tool, I'll select the brush tool from the toolbar, and then I'll select the foreground color to black and the background color to white. I'll simply press the X key to reverse the color, and now I'll apply the brush on this layer mask. I'll simply apply the brush on this bridge. You can see the colors. The black color hides the effect and the white color reveal the effect. Now you can see the blur effect is totally hide from this selection, and you can also see in the layer mask the black color hides the effect. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If you do, then please like the tutorial and also subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.